What's up, everybody? So we went into the Gracie Villas today, which is on the south side of Bradford. We took a look through one of the villas, did a little actual walkthrough tour. So I put that in here, and then we got some drone stuff of that area. Also, just the villa a little bit close up, and then the surrounding area. So it's pretty cool. I liked going through the house. I went through a couple of them, but yeah, I only got video of one, because they would only let me do one, but that's okay. We'll be doing some more stuff like this, going through the houses and checking them out. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see some more. Something really cool, I hinted at it the other day. Saturday, I am going out golfing, and I'm going to do an actual virtual tour of the golf course. And it's an executive golf course, so that'll be pretty awesome. And hopefully we'll see you around for that one, and hopefully you enjoy this one. Headed into Gracie Villas on the south end of Bradford. It is on the very south end. You can see on the outside they're actually building a lot of those homes. And then there's a pond there which leads into St. Catherine. We're walking around here in the villa area, checking out a couple of the open houses that they had going on, some of the villas. So this is a Ruby here. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Master bedroom is basically 16 by 12 with a 12 by 12 second bedroom. And then you got a bathroom that connects to the master bedroom, and a bathroom that's in the hallway as well. The kitchen's pretty big. It's almost 12 by 12. It's 11 by 6 by 11 by 8. And then you have the living room and the dining room are connected, kind of like an open floor plan. I didn't get the garage on this house, but the garage is basically a 1 car, and your laundry room is there. This is actually the dining and living room here. So these villas are kind of like shotgun houses, I would call them. You have an outdoor lanai. Altogether 1,648 square feet. Not too shabby for a little house. And these are typically right around $200,000. So this is the actual Gracie Villa area in Bradford. And they said that this area is about 60% sold, from what I heard. And that's just the villa area, not Bradford itself, but this little villa area. So they have a lot of open houses going on typically all the time with these new models that you can just walk through and go in. You can actually grab just the village's newspaper, the Daily Sun, and look up all the open houses and decide which ones to check out. They usually go from about 10 to about 3 or 3:30 in the afternoon. A lot of them are only a couple hours long. Some of them even offer snacks and food, things like that. So this is the southwest corner of Bradford. You can see Hawkins is across the street over there where they're doing all that work. As you know, we've done several videos on that. There's so many different models of villa that you can choose from. So the one we walked through today was the Ruby. That one right there on your screen is a Topaz, which is a little bit bigger. They actually have a 2-car garage, and that one's got a possibility for a pool and things like that. So down here where they're doing the new construction along the outside, along the river, or not the river, but the little retention pond there, you can see they're laying the foundations, putting some pools in. Some of the houses are getting built already, and I think one of those is a model. This one over here on the corner I was pretty impressed with. The pool is really nice, or it looks like it's going to be really nice, kind of on this cul-de-sac. So you can see that pool right there. It's pretty nice. They build these houses so quickly. I've mentioned it before, but it is crazy. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. We are going to be doing more of the walkthroughs of the houses and the different models because there's so many of them. I'd like to show you all of them. And as always, we'll see you next time.